Myself, Hassan Zaib Jadoon, a student of Computer System Engineering at University of Engineering and Technology, Peshawar. I am excited to share my journey with you. A journey that revolves around Kaawish 23. Do you know about Kaawish? What is Kaawish? I think no. Let me explain. Kaawish is the flagship event of Literary and Debating Society of University of Engineering and Technology, Peshawar. Kaawish is not only the event, it is a celebration of unity and culture. I am proud member of Literary and Debating Society, and I am very happy that I work with such team which organize an event in which all over the Pakistan, different peoples from different backgrounds will came and unite together. Regarding Kaawish 23, I wear different type of hats like designing a poster, video editing, work with the organizing team to organize a 3 days event, and also go with the sponsorship team to get some type of sponsors for the event, and much more. It's really amazing to see how diverse minds unite. I have also stepped on the stage and share my thoughts and ideas in the form of Declamation and Poetic Symposium. But what really matters is how I connect a diverse peoples, created a vibrant environment of learning where a lot of people from different backgrounds connected with each other and share their ideas. Imagine me as a student ambassador. I will take positively from my past experiences and implement it with my community, with Microsoft and student ambassadors, share my learning, my technical skills with others. That's really improve me and also helps the community. Dear hiring team, thank you so much for your precious time.